Hello friends and students. My name is Ashish Dhanesha from Sri KM and Srimati KK Saujai BBA BC College located in Veraval, affiliated to Bhakta Kavi Narsingh Mehta University, Junagadh. And here we are to learn subject of BBA SEM 2. Subject name is Communication Skill in English 2 Foundation, Unit 5 Grammar, and topic is Modal Auxiliary. The definition of a modal auxiliary is a verb that is used to another verb to express a mood or tense. Be, have, and to can be auxiliaries and main verbs. They have grammatical functions and are used for forming tenses, questions, the passive, etc. Modals are can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, would, and need. Need can also be a main verb. Example of modal auxiliary verb is we can play football, we could play football, and we can so many words, we can make so many sentence like using with can, could, may, might, must, need, ought to, shall, etc. There is another main things to remember, that what to keep in mind when using modals. Explanation like do not use modals for things which happen definitely. Which happen definitely means example sentence is the sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. A modal can't be used in this sentence. This sentence means definitely, naturally happen. Next explanation, we should remind that they have no s in third person singular. There is no s in third person singular like talks, texts, etc. Example of this sentence is he can play football. He can play football, not he can play football. There is no s after can. Third, questions are formed without do, does, and did. Do, does, and did are main verb. Not modal auxiliary verb. The example of question example is can he speak Spanish? Can he speak Spanish? Yes. In here we use can before this sentence or starting of this sentence, so it's a question sentence, it's a query sentence. Next, it follows a main verb in its infinitive. Infinitive means when we use this modal auxiliary we should use normal verb also. The example of above is also example like this. He can play football. Play is main verb and can is modal auxiliary verb. But a new example is they must read the book. They must read the book. Read is a verb, main verb, which is used to read something, to active, to something do. And must means a tense, a mood, forcefully you have to. You must read the book. Next explanation we should remain. There are no past forms except could and would. There are no past forms except could and would. Example of this explanation, example of this point, he was allowed to watch the film. He was allowed to watch the film. Last explanation, when we use the past participle, we tell about things which did not happen in the past. Repeat this sentence. When we use the past participle, we tell about things which did not happen in the past. Example of this point: you should have told me. You should have told me. In this sentence, this did not happen in the past. There is a short form or long in some words like isn't, doesn't, full doesn't mean is does not, don't mean verb form is do not, but we tell it abbreviation, we tell it in short form. Like that, we can also use a modal auxiliary verb with a brief or short word. First, can, long form. We have not contracted form, it's brief form. Negative form of can is cannot, but we can it in brief or contracted forms like can't. Second, could, long form. Negative long form is could not. Contracted form is couldn't. Long form of may is also contracted form. There is no contracted form of may. Negative long form is may not. There is no contracted form of may not. Like other, there is no contracted form of might and might not. There is no contracted form of ought to and need, but in ought to and need there is a negative long form is ought not to and need not, and contracted form of this modal auxiliary verb is oughtn't to or needn't. Next, long form of shall, should, will, would with a single quotation and double L. Like shall, we can SHA double L, or like any verb with double L. If I want to create a sentence, I shall go, then we can write it I space SHA double L space GO, but the contracted form is I quotation single quote double L go. We do not use to full form of or long form of shall. Example of this we can explain in this PPT above here. Same as should, it's called single quotation D, will for single quotation double L, same as shall, but the difference is we can use I and we with shall, and after that we he, she, it, or you will. Same as who. There is a negative form of shall not is shan't, should not is shouldn't, will not is won't, would not is wouldn't, etc. So if any query regarding modal auxiliary verb, we are here to explain more detail in PPT. So if this is a auxiliary, unit 5 grammar and topic is modal auxiliary. Subject is communication skill in English 2 foundation.